How to change your group chat color. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your group chat color on Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application, click on it and click on the group you see. For example, this is my group Lulala. Click on it, and now all you need to do is click on the profile again and click on the second option, which is chat color, and all you need to do is click on chat color and click on the color you want, and this is it. Go back and they're gonna fix the color you want. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.